Introduction. In hospitality, chatbots are revolutionizing guest experiences. They provide instant responses, streamline bookings, offer recommendations, and facilitate requests. With AI and natural language processing, they enhance guest satisfaction and loyalty.
So ang kaning chatbot ari sa hospitality industry is mohatag ni siya assistant sa mga customers or mga guests na nangitag available rooms or mga features na naa sa usa ka hotel.
First question: what are the benefits of chatbot in hospitality industry?
Chatbot shows a selections of product recommendations that's unique to the individual visitor. So based on their behaviors and profile that improves guest satisfactions. So the image shows that chatbot can improve guest satisfactions.
Okay.
Chatbots are available 24/7, so it doesn't get tired, sick, or sleepy. So it can deliver or provide the information at any time. So maka-increase po ni og guest satisfaction. So the image shows that it works weekly. The second question is, how do chatbot handles inquiries in hospitality industry? So chatbot can provide hotels availability of the rooms. It facilitates booking through inyong chat. So that is how chatbot handles inquiries sa atuang hospitality management.
The next one is the history of chatbot in hospitality management.
So early adoption ng chatbot is in the year 2000. So gigamit ni nila for basic packs lang and booking reservation in hospitality website. Advancement in AI correction, this is the year 2010. So ari na year sa 2010, advanced na ang atuang AI. So it became more intelligent and it can now enable handling inquiries. So the next one is integration in other technologies. Also, this is in the year 2010. So daghan jud ang ni-improve sa chatbot ari na year. So murag na-collab na siya sa lain-lain na technologies. So mas ni-expand ang abilities aning chatbot so it can perform various works like PMS or property management system and booking engines. The last one is in the year 2020. So in recent years, ni-transform na siya into voice-activated interfaces, personalized recommendations, and others. So mas nindot and more convenient na ang atuang chatbot within hospitality industry up until now. In conclusion, chatbots have become integral to the hospitality industry, offering numerous benefits, improving operational efficiency, and continuously evolving to meet the needs of guests and businesses alike.